Hi friends! Dito kami sa splash pad, maglalaro ang mga bata, sobrang init. Pagbibigyan ko lang din sila na makapaglaro sa splash pad dahil sobrang init. So, nandito na kami, wala si daddy, may work. So, hindi rin ako mag-work today. More on kids activities tayo. Follow kuya! Go, go! Maya! Is it nice, Andrew? Maya is having fun. I like the water. Whoa! Look who's having fun. Look who's having fun. Hi girl, hi girl. Oh yeah. Oh my God, my foot's getting wet. Are you okay, Maya? Pauwi na kami friends, nag-enjoy ang mga bata sa initan, sa splash pad. Yun, enjoy kami, enjoy din ako. Surprisingly si Maya, sobrang nag-enjoy siya kahit na yung tubig ay nasa mukha na niya, diba? As usual, hindi lang ako makapag-vlog masyado kasi maraming ibang bata na naka-swimsuit. Again, nasa Amerika po kami, so medyo sensitive tayo sa privacy ng ibang tao, no? Kaya hindi po tayo magpa-vlog masyado. Ngayong araw, wala akong work pero, hindi ako mag-work today, hindi ko planong mag-work. Hindi pa kami nag-homeschool. So, later we will homeschool. Mag-study kami later. Fun study hopefully. Hindi ako mag-work mostly because yung taas namin ng bahay ay yung trabahuhan ko ay empty. Nilinis namin dahil ipapalinis namin yung carpet na parang professional cleaning. Kaya in-empty namin. So hindi muna ako makakapag-work. Hindi muna ako makakapag-picture ng mga damit. Ganyan. So later na yon. May nag-lunch na. Nakapagpahinga na. So ngayon ay naglalaro kami ng mga bata. Itong taas po namin ay napakante. Tingnan nyo. Halos wala ng laman. Binakante namin. Kasi ipapalinis po namin yung carpet. Medyo madami na kasing stain. So hindi na namin nalilinis masyado. So papalinis namin bukas. Professional cleaning. Meron kaming appointment. So bukas, i-move lang namin tong bed at saka yung iba pang konting kalat, ganyan. Pero yun nga, nakaschedule siyang linisin. So dahil ang dami naming space ngayon dito sa taas, kahit na medyo makalat at madungis, maglalaro kami dito. Gumawa ako ng mga station sa paglalaro ni Lucas at Andrew. So meron kaming stations. Ito ay magbibilang siya ng coins. Sa bawat station, meron siyang gagawin na activity. So dito magbibilang siya ng coins. Okay, alright. Okay, are you ready, Lucas? Ang init dito sa taas. So we're gonna do it.
Yeah!
Ready, Kuya Lucas?
Wait, where's the station?
Station 1 is there.
Get the correct
Wait lang.
travel to complete each word.
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 I thought you were gonna need to jump.
Now Odin.
It's okay. I can still see letter O.
Apple.
Apple.
Now
Okay,
station
apple.
2.
Station
Circle
2.
all the numbers that are
Multiples.
multiples of 3. 27 is on the 9.
Correct.
36, 9. 3, 6, 9. No. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15.
Next station, read.
Station 3. Count the coins and show the total using number cards.
Here, there.
So $2.50 now.
Okay.
25 plus 50. 70, 75, and there.
Okay, there's a dot here. I don't have a dot, so. Okay, $2.75. Correct. Next station.
Roll a dice to get a subject, verb, and object. Say your fun
Sentence.
sentence.
Okay, purple
No.
first. 2. 255.
So, the cat read a song.
Is that possible?
No. I'll say no, but cats can't read. Can
But
they?
it's just a fun sentence.
Sort pictures, cards into living or non-living characters.
Categories.
Category.
So put the living here and then
I know.
non-living.
That's not living.
Yep.
Why don't these be living?
Hi, Maya.
Oh, that's living butterfly. Why is the shark living? This?
Yep.
No.
Maya is scrolling backwards. Correct. Correct. Next station.
So, look at the blocks pattern and add 4 blocks to
Continue.
continue it. Yellow, orange, orange, blue, green, green.
So what will be next?
So that orange, 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 blue.
Okay, station complete.
Oh yeah!
Good job. Okay, next. Station 7.
Orange equals 2 clap. Blue equals 1 tap.
1 tap to your legs like this.
Make a music with this pattern.
Okay, that's the pattern.
Okay.
Nice.
Waiting for your gym class. 1 week?
Yeah.
Yep, knew it.
Number
Now, last
5.
one. Blinking your eyes. 1 second. Actually, why didn't you do a microsecond?
Microsecond. Maybe because it take me seconds.
I know. You know what I'm gonna do.
What? What?
M I O micro.
Okay, let's go to the station 10.
What am I gonna do?
They're all the same level, but since they're in the different shape, that's second.
Yeah.
That's first or second?
Second.
Okay, so second is here. First, second. Which one is your third and fourth? Okay, so how would we know?
Wait, 1 second. Let me see again.
Okay, final answer.
I'm still looking.
You're still thinking.
Wait, that's supposed to be there.
Okay, so we're gonna check if you're right. You're gonna transfer that here, this here, because here it's all the same shapes, right? So that's how you know if you're right. Okay, put the purple one here.
That's how much.
So which one has the most actually?
This one.
The green one.
I didn't expect that.
Because it is fatter. See that? So this should be the one that's number 1, and then this, right? And then this, and then this. Okay, Andrew's turn.
Make it full. What full?
Full. Like, what do you mean by full?
All the way super duper, all the way to the top. Mommy, I kind of want to do it, but it's just gonna kind of be messy, maybe. But can I?
Missing what?
It's gonna show you how bubble works.
With the water?
Yeah, it's gonna need water,
Okay.
but it's
Just a little bit. What do you need it to make it really full?
actually all the way to the top, but
We have some experiment, I don't know.
it is.
Oh my God. Enough.
But it's supposed to be all the way on the top.
Oh.
No, it's supposed to like one part is supposed to be rising. Like
No, don't dip your finger. You have to drop the coin slowly. Yeah, without touching your
look what I
finger.
said.
Yeah, like that. There you
Is
go.
it rising?
A little bit.
Whoa, the water is rising. Slowly,
Oh
look
yeah, it's rising. It's still rising.
Andrew, you have your own
It's
barrel.
rising. It's rising. It's rising.
Slowly, one at a time. Tulog ang aking baby Maya, pinatulog ko. Tapos, yung dalawang boys, habang pinatutulog ko yung kanilang kapatid, ayan, nagkalat. Yung nilalaro nilang tubig kanina, masyado silang nag-enjoy sa experiment nila. Hindi na experiment, laro-laro na lang. Anyways, ayan, nandun naman ulit sila sa taas, naglalaro ulit sila. Habang lumalaki si Andrew, mas syempre nagkakasundo silang maglaro together, ganyan. So, yung boys talagang mas naglalaro na sila ng sila lang. Tapos, hindi na sila masyadong demanding sa aking sa time ni Mommy. Less na yung time na ini-spend ko na makipaglaro sa kanila. Saglit nga, magkakape ako. Tingnan nyo naman hapon. Second cup of coffee. Ayan. Anyways, friends, gumagamit nga pala ako ng bagong creamer. It's a Havi Collagen Creamer. Nabalitaan ko kasi sa social media. Yung aking creamer na usual kong ginagamit is banned daw sa Europe. So, syempre di naman ako basta-basta naniniwala sa sa social media. Pero ginugol-google ko siya. Itong certain brands na lagi kong iniinom before pa, kahit nung nasa Pilipinas pa ako. Ayun nga is parang may trans fats daw, ganyan, which is bad for your heart. Since I'm drinking coffee every single day, I feel like I have to be more conscious about that. Kaya I tried collagen creamer. Havi Collagen Creamer. This is actually the second creamer na I tried para i-replace yung aking Coffee Mate. So far, masarap naman siya. It's supposed to be healthier, gluten-free, zero artificial flavors, all natural, guilt-free. So, yung lasa niya, syempre, dun sa kinasanayan kong Coffee Mate, pero masarap naman, and I think, I can get used to it. So, try nyo. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description and comment section below kung gusto na nyong itry. Rice crackers na lang for Maya. Oh, yeah. May lagyan siya sa rice crackers. Na, nagising naman. Parang nagtulog-tulugan lang siya. Short nap lang ng baby na yan. Short nap lang ng baby. Yung kape ko kanina na tinimpla, konti lang yung nainom ko. Tapos nagising na to si Maya. So, pinadede ko siya. Hindi na siya bumalik ng tulog. Tapos, microwave ko na lang kasi lumamig na yung aking kape. Si Andrew yun nakatulog na. At si Lucas ay nanonood lang ng TV habang kami ni Maya ay nag-merienda. Mamaya pagkagising ng boys ni Andrew, gagawa kami nito messy soccer shootout na woodworking project ng dalawang boys from Lowe's this month. So, ayan ang ganun lang gagawin. Dami na namin ginawa kanina actually. Ang dami naming fun learning activities. Pero ang na-video ko lang is yung station activity ni Lucas kasi yun lang yung parang medyo maayos. Medyo nanggugulo kasi si Andrew, 'di ba? Pero madami pa kaming ibang ginawang activities. Mostly yung kay Andrew, hindi ko na-video kasi minsan makulit siya. At saka putol-putol yung activity namin. Depende sa kanya kung ano yung gusto niyang gawin. Lucky din naman talaga kaming nag-activity. Once a week, meron talaga akong araw na nilalaan ko for homeschooling lang. Either magle-lesson planning, magka-catch up kami ng mga kung meron kaming mga na-miss na araw na hindi kami nag-lesson, ganyan. Usually, hindi ako nag-vlog kapag mga ganitong araw kasi nga ang focus ko is mga bata. Kaya lang din ako nag-vlog kanina is dahil nga gusto kong ipakita yung fun sa splash pad. Usually, ang pinapakita ko lang is glimpse of my homeschooling sa mga vlog ko. Parang mga few minutes lang na nagbabasa si Lucas or what. Parang pinapakita ko lang na yes, we did homeschool. Pero ano pa yung iba naming activity, parang wala akong masyadong pinapakita sa vlog ko kasi nga parang, I don't know kung boring ba siya or magugustuhan ba siya ng aking mga subscriber. But yeah, let me know sa comment section below kung tingin nyo po ay, kung na-enjoy nyo ba tong video na to. Let me know kung gusto nyo makita yung mga fun activities namin. Kasi it's something that I always do for my kids talaga. Pagdating sa homeschooling, I want it to be fun. We have a lot of fun activities. Actually, meron akong isang Instagram account just for the kids activities. tinatry ko i-video yung mga yon kasi para din sa akin na in the future, para halimbawa si Maya, maalala ko kung ano yung mga activities na ginawa ko kay Lucas, and then kay Andrew, and then gagawin namin ni Maya. Parang gano'n. And then of course, para din sa aking family and friends sa Pilipinas, masaya sila na makita yung mga activities ng mga anak ko, makita nila yung paglaki ng mga anak ko. Kasi 'di ba, malayo tayo sa Pilipinas. Parang in a way, Facebook na lang or social media na lang yung way natin na makita yung paglaki ng mga family, yung mga anak ng family and friends natin. So, ganun din ako sa mga anak ng mga kapatid ko at ng aking mga kaibigan, yung mga batang hindi ko pa nakikita in person, pero parang sila yung mga online babies ko, na masaya ako na in a way nakikita ko yung paglaki nila. Hindi, kasi nga hindi ko siya usually binavlog, pero lagi siyang nasa mga personal social media accounts ko for my family and friends. Pero yun nga, kung interesado po kayo, pwede ko siyang i-add sa contents ko, yung mga ginagawa namin na homeschooling activities. Pero alam nyo, takaw bash. na ano ko na, kasi dati dito sa YouTube and Facebook din and Instagram, meron akong mga pinopost dati ng video ng mga anak ko, yun nga, yung mga activities namin. Meron din talaga magko-comment na hindi maganda. Sasabihin nila na minamadali ko daw yung mga anak ko. I think parang meaning nila is minamadali ko yung pag-aaral, or parang pinipilit kong maging advanced, parang gano'n. Ano pa ba yung comment? Meron sabi hindi raw age appropriate yung mga activities ng mga anak ko. Yung comment na yun is dahil yung mga video ko is yung nagluluto sila, yung parang tumutulong sila sa kusina, ganyan. Nakikita nyo rin naman yun sa iba kong vlog, diba? Pero hindi naman ako affected kasi alam ko naman na okay lang yung ginagawa ko. Or parang walang masama sa ginagawa ko para sa mga anak ko. Yung iba, hindi lang talaga masaya para sa ibang tao. Kaya nang babash at merong masasabi. Kasi mas marami naman ako na nakukuhang comments na nagsasabi na, ay, ang galing naman ng mga anak mo, or ang talino ng anak mo, ganyan. And sino ba namang hindi magulang ang matutuwa sa mga ganong comments, diba? And I'm happy about it and I'm proud. Pero at the same time, gusto ko rin iklaro na hindi naman minamadali yung mga anak. Homeschooling po kasi kami. Meron akong curriculum na fina-follow. So, kung minamadali ko, tatapusin ko na yung isang curriculum ng madalian, diba? Pero hindi. Fina-follow ko lang yung nasa curriculum. Tapos, every day talaga, 30 minutes to 1 hour lang kami nag-aaral, 'di ba? Yung Lucas is kindergarten. Minsan sumusobra ng 1 hour, pero usually within under 1 hour lang talaga. So kung minamadali ko yung anak ko, dadamihan ko ng aral araw-araw, 'di ba? So I think yung advance na sinasabi is para kasing nanggagaling yun sa mga anong tawag dito? Mga unplanned lesson. Kasi we spend a lot of time with our kids. So, yung mga bata naturally curious yan. So, we are always here to answer their questions. So, kumakain kami, may nakita siya sa pagkain, bakit ito bawal kainin, bakit ito good for our health. So, masasagot natin yan. Nagda-drive kami, pupunta kami sa isang lugar, lahat ng makikita, lahat ng mga tanong. We always try to answer their questions. So, I guess dun nanggagaling yung parang ang talino ng anak mo, or parang ang advance ng anak mo. Hindi dahil dun sa curriculum na tinuturo ko sa homeschool, kundi dahil dun sa lifestyle na meron kami, na nagkakaroon kami ng chance na talagang sagutin at parang i-entertain yung curiosity ng aming mga anak. So, dun ang gagaling yun. And then, pagdating naman dun sa mga gawaing bahay, hindi ko naman sila pinipilit na magluto or ganyan. Talaga, alam niyo, ang mga bata natural. Ha? So yun nga, hindi naman namin pinipilit ang aming mga anak na, let's say, tumulong sa business or tumulong sa kusina. Alam nyo, ang mga bata, natural yan na gusto, diba, lagi makialam sa ginagawa ng mga magulang or ng mga tao sa paligid nila. I think, kami lang, we let them do it. Tayong mga magulang, mas madali para sa atin na wag na lang silang paghugasin ng pinggan or wag na lang silang patulungin doon sa mga ginagawa natin kasi mas mabilis yun eh. Ako na lang yung magluluto, ako na lang maghihiwa, ako na lang ang magbabalat ng sibuyas, ako na lang ang gagawa ng lahat. Pero pag tumutulong sila, 'di ba, mas matagal. So, doon ang gagaling yung parang ang galing nila sa kusina, ang galing nilang tumulong because we let them. I guess my point lang naman is we have different parenting styles. I respect everybody else. I believe na
iba-iba tayo ng lifestyle, iba-iba tayo ng paniniwala, iba-iba tayo ng bina-value, diba, na bilang mga magulang. We just have to respect each other kasi hindi natin alam yung story ng isa't isa. We are parenting the way we are because of our own parents, because of our backgrounds, diba, because of our own belief and everything else. So, yun, na-share ko lang. Naalala ko kasi yung mga basher. Are you done? Maya, attack! Here's your hammer. Now we're gonna make messy shoot out. I'm gonna
It's
help
a
Anne.
messy shoe pop.
Yeah, it says messy soccer shoot out. It's a measuring tape. That's a measuring tape, Anne.
No, that's a ruler.
No, it's a measuring tape. But
No.
it's similar to
No,
the...
it's a ruler.
Oh, Grandpa said it's a ruler. I guess it's similar to a ruler. Oh, I don't look. It's gonna be like this. I know. I'll give it to you when it's... Good job. Wow. This is yours, not the hammer. Okay. Let me... I do
That
that.
means you are
I'm on 7
on
now.
6.
You want to take off what? Your shirt? Guess what? The first thing she'll do is... You did it? Okay. So, tapos na yung kay Andrew. Ayan na. Ako yung gumagawa nung kay Andrew eh. Dahil wala siyang interest masyado. Kick! You have to kick the ball to go to my side. Boing! Andrew won! Okay, restart. Big shot. Andrew won again.
Oh yeah!
Ha!
Look
gonna
what
be-
I'm gonna do. I'm gonna color.